If you've just purchased a TP-link MR505 4G Wi-Fi router or want to update your wireless settings, this video will show you how to log in and change your Wi-Fi name and password. Let's get started. Step 1. Insert SIM and power on router. First, insert your 4G SIM into router at the bottom side if first time setup. Connect power adapter and turn on router. Wait a few moments until Wi-Fi LED lights turn solid. Step 2. Locate the default settings. Now locate the default Wi-Fi SSID name and password printed on the sticker at the bottom side. Step 3. Log into router. Next, open any web browser and type tplinkmodem.net or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Then press enter. Log in using the router's administrator password. If this is your first time setting up the router, create an admin password and log in to router. Once you're logged in, go to wireless settings from top. Now change network name SSID for 2.4 GHz and create strong Wi-Fi password for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Then change 5 GHz SSID name and create strong password for 5 GHz Wi-Fi network name. Create a strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If you want to enable guest network, scroll down page and create guest SSID and password for guest Wi-Fi network. After making the changes, click Save or Apply. The router may restart the wireless network. Finally, reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. That's it. Your TP-link MR505 4G Wi-Fi router is now updated with your new wireless network name and password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.